When we designed the AI score progress monitoring system, we wanted to eliminate the lag time that traditionally comes with writing assessment. That's why your students have access to immediate feedback in real time with Oscar while they work. The second their 9-minute write is complete, they don't have to wait days or weeks for results. They instantly receive actionable, formative feedback tailored to help them improve their organization, content, and style right then and there. But students aren't the only ones getting immediate insights. Simultaneously, that same data and analysis flows straight to your teacher dashboard. You can see their strengths and identify exactly where they need instructional support the moment they submit. Of course, data on a screen is only half the equation. AI can deliver immediate feedback, but it can't build a relationship or replace your expertise. The system is here to handle the heavy lifting of parsing the text, but the human conversation between you and your student during a writing conference is what actually moves the needle. So, what do you do with these data, and how do you talk to students about their growth? That's the focus of this video. When you bring a student over for a quick targeted writing conference or table talk, you aren't there to line edit their grammar. You're there to partner with them and discuss how to take their writing to the next level. So, let's talk about the structure of writing conferences. Try breaking your mini conferences down into a few practical steps. First, look at the data together and find a win. Start with what's working. Instead of focusing on mistakes, point to the dashboard and say, let's look at your highest scoring piece. What do you think made this draft so strong? Or say to them, your organization really improved this time. What did you do differently? Ask them what strategy or support they used. Next, anchor the conversation in their progress. Ground everything in their personal targets by asking, what was the writing goal we set last time? And can you show me a part of this new paragraph where you worked on that? Finally, analyze trends and reflect. Together, look at their progress graph over time to spot patterns. You can ask, is there an area that still feels a bit bumpy? What kind of tool or support would make that part smoother for you next time? Or try saying, looking at this chart, where do you want to focus our energy next? What part of your writing do you feel ready to tackle now? Have them show you either in their writing task or on their graph where they struggled. Have them reflect on how they were feeling when they worked on that section. You can ask, what changes or additions can we make to help support you better? By letting AI Score manage the assessing and scoring, you can do what you do best. Coach, encourage, and guide your writers. The data give you the starting point, but your pedagogical expertise and knowledge of your students is what drives their improvement.